Hey, Gilbert Kimbi here. Congratulations on grabbing your copy of the Social Media Marketing Made Simple. That was a smart move. Most people never take action, but you did. Now, here's how to make it even easier. Instead of just reading the steps in the ebook, imagine watching me walk you through them step by step. That's exactly what you will get inside the Social Media Made Simple video training, okay? You will see the system in action, learn faster, and avoid the trial and error that slows most people down. Plus, your fast action bonuses, the checklist, the cheat sheet, and mind map work even better when paired with the video walkthrough. This upgrade is only available right here, right now, at a special one-time price. Once you leave this page, it's gone. So don't miss out. Click the button below to upgrade to the video training and start getting results faster. I'll see you on the inside.